We've got our whistle, we've got our signal. Saris, they line drive to kick us off. Cagle reels it in inside the 5-yard line. Cagle up the middle, up the left sideline. He's got space, Jalen Cagle. He's still going up the left sideline. He's got space. Whistle blown. And he was into the Asher board inside the 15-yard line. What a way to start for, again, the league leader in return yards. Blizzard start at the Sioux Falls 13-yard line.
Cagle, they're showing you why he is the league leader in return yards.
Myler in the shotgun. Receivers in forward motion. High snap, faked handoff. Myler up the middle, still going. He's got the first down. Max Myler, what a play.
What an extra push there by Myler. Didn't seem like he was going to get it there at first, but he just kept on going with his legs, able to pick up the first down for the Blizzard.
That is the 6'3", 220 frame of Max Myler. Corrals the high snap. Jalen James was coming in from the linebacker position to try to send him back the 5-yard line. They'll go from the 2. Snap to Myler. Fake pitch out. Walk in. Touchdown. Max Myler, welcome back. Blizzard take a 6-0 lead. And he throws the ball into the stands to his mom, Joan. Take a look at that one. A nice block on the left side by Desmond Thomas. Emery maybe trying to sell the hold there a little bit, but with one of these big-time stands that we've seen over the last 3 games. Under center. Handoff to Jackson. Met in the backfield. Chris Biggers getting back there for the Blizzard. And a big-time loss on 1st and goal.
Biggers able to read that one like a book coming off the edge. Lightning quick. Able to get the Storm for a loss.
So 2nd and goal from the 11-yard line. Something's got to give. Snap to Hall. He'll take it up himself. Hall into his own man. He is stopped. Turnover on downs. Blizzard send them back.
We've seen this before with the Blizzard being able to make their stand on the goal line, and they do it once again. You see Sintel Williams was able to trip him up, and then the rest of the pack just gets the job done. What a stand on the goal line from the Green Bay Blizzard.
Hall ran into his own man. I believe that was McLean Duha. Myler in the shotgun. 3 receivers on the field, 2 to the near side. Myler fakes the handoff. Shot play. Going for Patron. Caught inside the 5. Talk about flipping field position. Lowell Patron. 1st and goal, Green Bay.
And there is your leading receiver on the Green Bay Blizzard, Lowell Patron, on the year. 9 catches, 125 yards, and 2 touchdowns. Adds another tally there for his stats.
1st and goal from the 4. Now this is the opposite. The Blizzard red zone offense, like you said, not great. 14th from it so far. It's Green Bay's turn to respond. Snap to Hall out of the empty look. Out of the middle. Picked off! Jalen Alexander inside the 5-yard line. Are you kidding me? Back and forth we go every single play. Has led to one thing after the other. And the new linebacker, Jalen Alexander out of Purdue, read that one the entire way. And now Green Bay is going to start basically right where they left off.
You see here on the replay, Billy Hall not really looking anywhere else but at Jalen Alexander.
Myler sends the receivers in forward motion, takes the snap, fakes the pitch out. Myler to the end zone. Flag. Is it caught? It is. Lowell Patron Jr. Touchdown Green Bay, and they take the lead with 10.2 left in the 1st quarter. What an unbelievable last 2 minutes that was, Casey.
Joey, this is electric. Turnover after turnover, but the Blizzard are able to respond. Patron gets his 3rd touchdown of the year. And let's see if Mevis can knock down his first extra point of the year for the Blizzard.
The offense is staying out there.
Oh.
To try and take a 2-point lead. Wow, what a catch from Lowell Patron. It was defensive pass interference. You see, empty look. Snap to Myler, fake handoff. Myler, end zone, caught Trey Adger. His first home game here at the Resch Center. Trey Adger puts the Blizzard up 7 with a 2-point conversion. Wow. What a quarter that was, and we'll step aside. When we come back, Sundance Wicks going to join us here on the broadcast. Be right back here from Green Bay.
In Rapid City. Born in Rapid City, South Dakota.
Oh, a loose football on the ground.
Come on.
Picked up by Green Bay. Rafiq Abdul-Wahid, and another turnover for the Blizzard defense.
Where's the turnover chain at? Let's get the Green Bay Grit turnover chain out here.
The big play chain is in the house, I believe.
Is it? Give me a little gritty, not pretty turnover chain here. We'll call it good.
Absolutely. I do want to I will say, I will give props to the state of South Dakota. Now Sintel Williams in there at linebacker. Hall hands off to Thompson, and Thompson is leveled.
Let's go.
That's Vi Rivers over there defensively for Green Bay. And a big third down here. Coming up, Sioux Falls in their own territory, but they've done a good job of pushing forward.
I think in my next life, I just want to be a color commentator like Donnie off of Major League. Or do you think it's worse? Because this is a pretty good crowd.
They get fun on, ooh, a big hit in the backfield, but staying on his feet now, driven down is Xavier Jackson.
Reminds me of 959, the high school, GATA, all right? 959, 9 guys, 5 yards on the ball, 90% of the time. They rally to that one.
Yep. Now, that was a lot of words there, Coach.
I love that one. That was good. 959, John Scott. Shout out Campbell County High School Fighting Camels, Gillette, Wyoming.
3rd and goal from the 1. Myler under center. Takes a snap. Push, touchdown, Green Bay Blizzard. They take the lead, 49.7 seconds left here in the first half.
It's a little help from the old fullback, halfback, tailback, whatever you call it nowadays.
92% of the time, every time. Push works.
92%. That's like a little Sex Panther reference by Odeon, you know? It's a good one. For those folks that don't know about that, that's
Snap down, kick up. It is good. First and goal from the 5. Ball is loose. Is it picked up by Green Bay? It is.
Let's go.
And there's Sean Mustin coming away with it.
Come on, Casey. Risk reward.
The 3rd turnover of the half for the Sioux Falls offense. Let's take a look at that one. I don't know what that went off of. Empty look here for the Storm. Receivers in forward motion. Another botch snap and another recovery by Green Bay. That is the 2nd time we've seen that. As the center up front just, whiffs on the snap.
See here on the Jumbotron here.
That's 2 fumbled snaps that have given Green Bay the ball. What will the Blizzard do with it? Myler gonna go with a deep shot. Patron over the middle. Pass is caught. He's still on his feet, and he's got the first down inside the 15-yard line. Lowell Patron continuing his great game. He's up to 4 receptions and over 80 yards on the day. First and 10 from the 13-yard line. 21-14 is our score. Myler in the shotgun out of an empty look. Myler looking at the end zone. Patron! Got it! Touchdown, Green Bay! Lowell Patron Jr. 2 touchdowns on the day. And the Blizzard an extra point away from going up 14 and doubling up the Storm.
Great connection. Myler to Patron. They're looking good today as they seem to have themselves in rhythm. 27-14, Blizzard on top. Also looking back, what a pass.
On to attempt the point after. And his kick is good. It's in there as the up man. Snap to Hall, handoff. Williams decked, sent back. Travarius Rivers coming in from the safety position, making a big hit on Keyshawn Williams.
Along with Rivers, you saw Mustin just kind of stick his arm out right here as you look at the replay. Just runs into a wall.
It's a big man right there. In there as the running back. Now he's split out as a receiver. Another empty look. Fake handoff to Patron and a throw to Burgess. Burgess looking for the first down. He's still going up past the 15-yard line and down to the 16. There's a first down for Green Bay, and they keep moving down the field.
Yeah, Burgess able to pick up even some extra yards after that catch. He's a big man. 5'11", 215.
And that's played a big factor in his running game. 3rd down and 8 here for Green Bay. Snap to Myler. He's going to step up and he's going to run. Max Myler's got the first down and a lot more. Max Myler into the dasher boards. There's a big hit, but he pops immediately back up. He's ready to go. But that's a first down for Green Bay.
Yeah, great run there by Myler. Able to find a seam. You see, looks downfield for 1 second, and he's gone. Took a big hit, but he's also a big boy.
Down and goal from about the 3. Snap to Myler. Myler's got a man open. Demetrius Moore, touchdown, Green Bay Blizzard. That's Moore's 2nd touchdown of the season. And it comes in a big spot, puts Green Bay back up by 2 scores.
Myler not playing last game, but he looks fresh. He looks good out there. Another 7-13 connection, as you were saying before. Puts the Blizzard up.
Kick is up, and it is good. Saris set to kick this one away. Right toe meets leather. This one is high, and Cagle going to field it in the back of the end zone once again. Jalen Cagle up the middle. He's got space. Jalen Cagle up the left sideline, waiting for his blockers. Tackled at the 20-yard line. Started as a questionable decision, but Jalen Cagle's made everything, almost everything, look perfect whenever he returns the football. Splits the 2 defenders and was off.
And that's what you want to see out of your league leading returns.
Played in this one so far. Myler in the shotgun, takes the snap, looks over the middle, passes caught low. Patron looking for the end zone. Is he in? No, down at the 1-yard line. He was reaching over at the last minute, but they call him down at the 1-yard line.
Yeah, you look here again. He really just tries to reach, but yeah, that knee is going to be down. Yeah, that knee's going to be down.
Of Myler. Now Myler goes under center. Will the tush push make its return? Myler pushed from behind. He is in. The most beautiful play in football. Strikes again. The tush push for Max Myler. He's up to 6 all-purpose touchdowns in his first game back from injury. That's 3 on the ground right there.
What a way to make your mark on your first game back.
You notice he's got basically all of his family line up right there at the 20-yard line. Every rushing touchdown he's had, he's ran and given the ball to a family member. Again, he's a local guy. Extra point is good. Hall takes a snap. Pressure's on from Alexander. He is hit. He is sacked. Correction. LJ Lovelace coming in from the linebacker position. Abdul Wahid came away with the football, but down by contact. LJ Lovelace. He's making his Blizzard debut here today. Brandon Pennerton out today. And LJ Lovelace IFL season keeps trucking on. This one high in the air, fielded by Cagle inside the 5. Jalen Cagle cuts to the right side, up the right sideline. Jalen Cagle into the dasher boards, past the 20-yard line. Big return to start. Jalen Cagle again, every time he touches the football on the return, big things happen.
Yeah, when you give Cagle enough space like that, only kicking it to the goal line.
So here's Andrew Mevis. Second field goal attempt of his Blizzard career. This one up, and it is good. Andrew Mevis sends it over the top, makes Billy Hall get the ball out quick. Hall drops back, pressure's on from Mustin. He's hit, he's sacked. Rafiq Abdul-Wahid finishes the job, 3rd down and 5.
What a dynamic duo on the defensive line with Sean Mustin and Rafiq Abdul-Wahid. They are just a force to be reckoned with on the defensive line.
Under 3 minutes to go. 3rd down and 5. Snap to Hall, fakes the handoff. Hall looking deep, he's hit, he's sacked. Rafiq Abdul-Wahid, back-to-back plays, back-to-back sacks.
You can call his name once and you can call his name twice, 2 times in a row. Rafiq Abdul-Wahid, huge plays for this Blizzard defense.
Hall sends the receivers in forward motion, takes a snap, drop back. Pressure's on, throws through the hands of Nigel Canada, but that's incomplete. That's knowing down and distance. That gives Green Bay the ball at the 12-yard line.
That's Nigel Canada's first pass breakup of the year, and it is a big one.
It'll still be a 2-score game. Snap down, kick is on the way. It is good. Mevis, a line drive, bounces, stays in the field of play. This is a potential Rouge opportunity. Dropped at the 2, clock stops at 55.9.
And that's exactly what you want to do if you're Mevis. Terrific kick, able to get that little extra bounce to keep it in the field of play. And this is going to be a tough one to go down and score for the Sioux Falls Storm.
Snap to Hall. Pressure's on. He's hit. He's sacked. They call him down. Clock continues to run. That's going to do it. Final score, 48-35. Green Bay takes down Sioux Falls, and the Storm fall to 0-4 for the first time as an IFL team. Meanwhile, Green Bay up to 3-1 and firmly in control of a playoff spot in the Eastern Conference. They've taken down Iowa, they've taken down Quad City, they've taken down Sioux Falls. They welcome in the Barnstormers next week. That's going to be another big one for Green Bay.